Hey everybody, April from Left Hook Creations here today. I wanted to find out what would happen if I did an open cup pour, but instead of an open cup, I used a cookie cutter in an interesting shape. So I thought today was a good day to try that out and see what happens. So if you want to find out too, stay tuned. Okay, so I've prepped my canvas with just a really ridiculously thin layer of white so that we can start our open cup pour here. I'm trying to decide if I want to do it this side down or this side down. I don't know if this might make an interesting effect. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I've always done it with a really small cup with a really thin edge to it, kind of like this side. And if you want to see my previous open cup pour video, I'm going to link that at the end of this video. So I think I might actually, I don't know which way. You know what? We're just going to go right like that. So I'm going to do this with black background. So we're going to start with some black. And here we go. So I have, let me get this glove off. So I have multiple colors I want to use. This one is the only one that has silicone in it. It is an absolutely gorgeous turquoise blue color. I have a copper. I have a pearl white. I have a champagne pearl, which is just, this color is beautiful. I have just a little bit of this one left. This is a bright red metallic. I have very little of this left. And then I have very little of, even less of this one. This is antique copper. So I figured I would just use the last of these couple up. Yeah, and then I have white and I have a light blue. And look at that. There's already a fly in my paint. Super. And gross. Okay, so now that I've cleared the area of insects, let's try this pour. I just don't know what I want to do first. Let's go with some champagne. And I don't know if this is gonna seep out underneath because this cookie cutter, because this cookie cutter's a little bit heavier. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lift, which is fine. What do I want to do? Just a little bit of this. Okay. This is definitely going to be interesting. Oop, I keep bumping this with my head. So I'm sorry for the camera shakes, guys. Just a little bit of pearl white. this bright red, which is really like hot pink. Ugh. Okay, it is starting to come out under. Awesome. So I'm trying not to burn my cookie cutter. We'll see. I do this one. Then I might do this one. I'll lift a little. Oh my God, I love it already. Oh, I love it already. Let me just get this closer to you. Look at how awesome. Okay. All right. I'll get my gloves on so we can take the cookie cutter out and tilt this thing. I have an idea. I don't know that it's gonna work. Close enough. So what we'll do instead, since that didn't really do what I was hoping it would, is we will just make it do what we want it to do. And that'll work. I don't want to lose all of this good stuff around here. So I'm just going to add a little extra oomph to it, because why not? Because the edge of this is so pretty, and I definitely don't want it to just fall off. All right. Before I do that, one last torchy torch. black that I just put on here. All right, here we go. Since it's already kind of threatening to fall off the side. I can just slowly get this expanded out a little bit. Hopefully this is still in the shot for you guys. I'm afraid I'm going to lose all of this cool stuff. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Yeah, there it all goes. There's definitely enough paint on here. Bring that back. All that beautiful red color is like gone. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. It's like in the very edges. I'm happy though, because I was afraid I wasn't gonna have enough paint. And clearly there is enough paint. Okay. I want that star shape a little more in the middle. I'm gonna see if I can't move this back. Plus there does just seem to be still kind of quite so much paint on here. Not really a star anymore. One of its little tendrils is missing. Oh, this is so funky. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I missed a whole corner over here. Good thing I have plenty of paint on my gloves. This should not be a problem. I had way more paint than I thought I did on this canvas. But, oh my God, I love it. I love it. I didn't expect it to turn out this cool. It is definitely awesome looking. All right. I think it is time for a close-up. All right, here it is. Look how pretty. I love these cells that have like 4 different colors in them. That's like, look at that. That's just my favorite. This spot is super cool and funky. Sorry for the shadow. That is myself underneath the light here. Let me get over here. There we go. Sorry, guys. Anyway, this was a super fun open cup pour. Like I said, I'm going to be linking the my previous open cup pour. Oh, look at that thing. So that link should be showing up for you right about now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.